Alright guys, so today we're gonna be suing Officer Myers and Blaine County RP for sexual harassment on Mr. Lars.
Myers, after I heard about what's happening today, I might have to go sit on the other side.
Myers, you get ready when that judge comes in here. You get ready to stand up, okay?
On my first
Okay.
I'll be like the last guy.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, court is about to be in procession, okay? Couple rules, please don't speak unless you're spoken to. If anyone needs to give any documents up to the judge or you request anything, please give it to myself.
Hey sir, I
so
never
I
got
can
your name,
sniff
what is
out.
it?
Oh, what?
What's your
Does
name?
anyone
I
have
never
any
got it.
questions for me?
Carrie Lars.
No, ma'am.
Sir.
My name's Betty Swallow, so if you need anything throughout today, you just ask me, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's all rise for Judge Wilhelm.
Myers.
You may be seated.
Alrighty. Name is Judge Wilhelm. Let's see what we have today. Prosecution?
So today we have a case about Officer Myers allegedly sexually assaulting my client by taking his pants off.
Sorry, did you say a sexual assault case?
Yep.
Your Honor, if I if I may say something, I am Trenton Myers' attorney, Michael Campbell. Coming in here today with the suit we were showed. The reason we were in here today is because my client is being sued. There's no open charges pressed against him at this time, so whatever they're saying is against our knowledge. And this court's, I'm assuming.
Defense, is there a reason you started speaking without being asked to speak?
No.
You may sit down. Alright, prosecution, can we have details of what have happened today and why we are in this court for a sexual assault case?
Okay, so what my client told me is that he was just sitting outside the PD talking to his friend, and then Officer Myers came up and ripped off his pants.
Okay. Prosecution, would you like to question anyone right off the bat?
Yes, I'd like to question his friend. I'd like to call Mr. Bobby up to the stand.
Alright, do we have a Mr. Bobby here today? Alright, you may
Is he?
step up to the stand.
Is he?
Alrighty, prosecution.
Alright, so Mr. Bobby, what did you see
Please,
today?
please enter the stand, sir. Prosecution, you as well.
Alright.
Well, not in this.
Over there. You're questioning the witness, yeah? So you stand in front of him and you question him.
Alright.
This
So-
lawyer's not qualified.
So Mr. Bobby, what did you witness today at the PD?
I witnessed sexual assault, which is very unprofessional of an officer. Especially a high-ranking detective such as Trenton Myers.
What exactly did he do to sexually assault Mr. Lars?
He ripped my best friend's pants off right in front of my eyes. Not that I'm complaining, but that is sexual assault.
Alright, I also believe that
Wait,
he
not that you
did.
complain?
Your pants were off too when I got there?
I didn't want him to feel alone.
Okay. Do you know any past history of any actions of this by Mr. Myers?
I believe I heard about him giving somebody Hawk Tua in the jail cell.
And when was this? And sir, when was this?
I believe this was just under 24 hours ago.
Oh. All right.
Very
That's
You
recent
managed to
matter.
call me up and get me within less than 24 hours. People wait months to see me.
all right. That's all my questions for Mr.
I
Bobby.
don't know. Maybe it's
I would
the
like to
suit.
call another
Like,
witness,
My suit's very professional.
if that's okay.
Okay, well, hold on. What is Mr. Sir, you want to stay here? Defense, would you like to cross-examine?
Yes, I would, Your Honor.
All right, you may approach the stand.
Mr. Bobby, that's your name, correct?
Yes, sir, Bobby Bush.
All right. How long have you known Trenton Myers?
Too long, to be fair.
Too long. Do you know him personally? You would say you're on a personal level with him?
I've been in the back of his cop car many times. That's what we'll go with.
Okay.
At this point, I probably know him on a personal level.
Okay. How long have you known your friend back there in the red shirt?
Longer than Myers.
Longer than Myers? About how long, you
Your
think?
convenience store, honey?
I don't know. I'm about to
So, you're both on a personal level with both of them, correct?
Well,
12.
I don't hang out with Myers. I hang out with my friend. So
But
not
sure-
really personal, but I know him. Like, if you ask me something about him, I'd probably be able to answer because I've been around him so much.
So you're on a personal level with him, but you're not on a personal level with him.
Yeah,
Okay.
you get it.
Okay. Let me ask you this, and I'm going to ask a point blank question here. Did you visibly witness Trenton Myers pull that man's pants down?
Yes,
With his own two
yes,
hands.
I did.
You did.
And
Sir, I'd like to advise you you're under oath before you continue any further. You visibly witnessed Trenton down.
okay, maybe I didn't. Maybe I was
So
around the
now you're
corner.
going back on your word. So I believe, if I can say this, the the prosecutor over here said that he was on scene when this happened and saw you with your pants down, correct, right? He saw you with your pants down.
I took
You
my pants
said,
off because I didn't want my friend to be alone.
so you were there. So you were around the corner, but you knew what was going on, so you take your pants off.
Well,
Is that
yeah.
Okay? So how did you know what was going on if you were around the corner? Because as he said, when he got there, you were both having your pants down, so you both would have had to have been there to know what was going on.
I have eyes.
You have eyes. Okay. So
Wait, let
first,
me
you're on a
readjust
person.
for you.
Oh,
Let me
readjust.
for you.
Okay.
Yeah, see, look, two brown
Okay.
eyes.
Two
What's up,
brown
Blaine?
eyes. Okay.
I'm
So, do a little rap here. You originally stated you were on a personal level with him, but then you weren't on a personal level with him.
I am,
And
but
then
I'm
you had
not.
Okay, please don't interrupt me. And then you were on a
Objection,
you are on a person.
testifying.
You're not the prosecutor.
I'm helping.
He doesn't need your help.
I'm getting interested. I already know what the case file here is. I already know what my
Okay.
final verdict is. Honestly.
So, I'm just gonna get straight to the point.
You talking to me, honey?
You had stated that you saw Trenton Myers do that under oath, and then you retracted
Yeah,
that and said, "Oh, maybe you didn't." Gave an excuse that you were around the corner, correct?
I mean, I was
My
around the corner,
grandmother
but
gave it
I
to
saw
me.
Okay.
Myers near him.
So why would
And
you
his pants
state
off.
that before that you physically saw him do that? Why? I mean,
I don't know.
Defense, that's not appropriate for court. That is interrogation. That is not questioning.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. For my final, I just want to make this clear. You did not see Trenton Myers do that, correct? What he's being accused of?
Not directly.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
All right. You may approach your seat, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Prosecution, can I have one final say that you
We're
are
cooked.
suing this individual for what was
cooked.
again sexual
We are so cooked.
again?
Your Honor, may I call one more witness to the stand?
I just need a reference case. What was the final verdict for?
I believe he should be guilty.
No, not that verdict. What are you suing this individual for?
I'm suing him for sexual harassment on my
Sexual
client.
abuse. Okay. I would like to make it aware that sexual abuse is clarified as someone who has been, and this is a very touchy topic, I shall say. Someone who has been injured in a misconductuous way, someone that has been through mental and unstable abuse. Having your pants pulled down in public may fear as humiliation, but it does not conduct under any sort of penal code that you can sue anybody for, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
Yes, Betty.
could we have an example? Can we get Officer Myers to pull down his pants again?
Yes, Betty. I think that would be great. Officer
Please
Myers, could
stand
you
up.
please yourself to the court?
Alright, wait, I gotta take my glasses off for this one.
I'm sorry. Again?
Can you pull your pants down, mister?
Your Honor, this is ridiculous.
Objection,
You're
go ahead
not.
and sit down, defense. Officer Myers, go ahead and please present yourself. Middle of the court, please.
We're in
Go
open
ahead
court.
and,
You're not gonna have my
your-
client pull his pants down.
Who the fuck asked you, mofo? Shut up, sit down.
Defense, please stay quiet and sit down until I hold you in contempt.
I'll shove my bat so far up your ass. That's what I thought, big boy. Now pull your pants down.
I need to get a picture of this.
Your Honor, I don't think that's professional to do this at the time.
Myers, unless you would like to be considered as guilty at this time, we won't even have a jury look at your case.
There you go, Your Honor.
Sir, if you could keep them off. There's a representation that we were trying to make here.
Okay, I don't even think this is court anymore.
I don't think so either.
Have you never watched Judge Judy, honey?
I didn't see anybody get their pants pulled down on Judge Judy.
Yeah, neither have I.
We obviously watch different episodes.
Alright,
Well,
ladies
I
and
want
gentlemen,
you
I
to show
believe
me
this
the
case is
episodes
going to
you
be closed.
watch.
Officer
I'm
Myers,
intrigued
you are going to be
now.
held in contempt for indecent exposure. Please go ahead and post your receipts and items that you may have represented today. I will be making my leave.
All rise.
So, is he guilty or non-guilty in what they're saying?
So,
It's non-guilty.
in conclusion, he's not guilty in the suing
Well, let's
case
go,
of
Myers.
sexual abuse. However, he is being charged with indecent exposure. So, Officer Myers, you've been placed into arrest at this time.
I'll give you half
Hold
of
on,
it.
sir.
I'm joking. Don't worry. You're just getting a citation.
I was down to say.
I'll give you
Miss
all of
Wowell,
it.
Excuse me, honey.
at one point, would it be appropriate to slap a countersuit on these guys? For slander on my client?
Whenever you want, honey.
Okay. Myers, we can go ahead and go back to the office and we'll get that written up. Can I get y'all's contact information?
Yeah, for
Uh,
sure. Come here.
Okay.
Alright. So my phone number is gonna be 769-253-1326.
I was trying to do that by accident.
I got it. I just.
What was it?
Okay, 769.
Hold on.
Can I have the name of your hairdresser?
Yes, sir. I believe that
Yeah.
is a
Okay, 769-253-1326.
You say the one in the goofy looking hat. I'm gonna.
The one in the funky
Alright.
fancy hat.
No,
The
it's-
one behind
it's-
me.
Hey,
Alright.
what's your name, sir?
Hey, Wolf, leave me alone.
Gary Lars.
Okay.
No, I don't think
So, Officer Lars.
It's you know where the
No,
clothing
Terry.
store in
Oh,
between
okay.
like the little figure eight.
W-
walking
Prosecutor, what's your name? And what's
my name
your
is-
phone number?
my name is Jane Johnson, but you can just call me JJ.
Thank you.
Okay.
I just wrote my number out on this paper. I'll give it to you here.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of my courtroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, look how cute they are.
Hey,
Myers, what you want to say?
We may be in 2025, guys, but you don't have to show it. When we're in this courtroom, it's 1940. Get out.
Okay.
Have a good day, man.
Thank you, honey.
Hey, I call that a win. He still got charged.
Yeah, and well, we're getting countersued, so we gotta be
well.
ready.
Oh well. Fuck him. We just won't show up. Or you want to jump him right here?
I prefer not to beat his ass, bro.
What do you
Alright,
mean?
let's get Myers.
Damn.
You mean so you
25
don't get cooked
2500
again?
but not.
So you don't get cooked? Alright, let's go Myers. Please don't direct any comments towards him.
They understand what's going on there. But
You're
you
fired.
figured it out. You won. No,
You're
you're
fired.
hired. You're hired. You won.
No, you're
Oh, I
fired.
won?
You won.
No, he didn't.
I
he
mean,
was found not guilty.
You won to an extent.
Hey, he still got
We're
charged.
getting countersued, but you
He
know,
still got charged. He still
yeah,
got charged.
That's the positive part.
You're fired, I said.
James, do some weird shit with me.
Put the bat down.
What the hell?
You're fired. Get out of my sight. Wolf is hired.
Hey, no, he said I'm hired.
Lars,
Don't you do it, god
Guys,
damn
Lars
it.
took my pants off again.
if you say he's hired, no more freaky stuff.
What the fuck am I wearing jeans for?
Let's go back to the
If you
vehicle.
say he's
Officer Myers,
if you
get out of
say
my
he's
way.
hired instead of Wolf, we're no longer doing freaky stuff together.
Yes, sir.
I'll just ask
How
you
are
if you
doing
can move
today,
out of my
Trenton
way.
Myers? Are we staying here? Are you guys countersuing me?
No, we are not.
We're not?
It's a
Okay,
win!
Deal.
It's a win!
You're hired as my permanent lawyer.
Yay, I'm hired.
Alright, let's get in the Bentley.
In the band. Hey, we're not getting countersued. He got charged. That's a win.
He got charged. I thought an officer was about to get arrested. I almost shit myself.
I
I'm
would
getting
have.
a call.
I would
Hold
have.
on.
That was
Hello.
probably